Here's how to do a two-way lookup in Excel using double XLOOKUP, a cleaner replacement for index match. So over here, I want to look for the total sales for monitor in East region. So what I can do is that I can use one XLOOKUP to look for the region. So lookup value, lookup array, and the return array, close bracket, and I hit on the spacebar for another XLOOKUP for the product. Lookup value, lookup array, and return array, close bracket, and I hit on enter. Together, they will return the value at the intersection. Before, you had to write a long index match formula for this. Now, double XLOOKUP makes it much simpler. And let's test on another region. So, South monitor, it's 1800, so it's correct. Just remember that this only works when your lookup data is in a 2D array, which means that you're looking up from a row and a column. If your criteria is in like two separate columns, then you need a different approach. So double XLOOKUP makes it cleaner and easier. Give it a try and I'll see you next time. Bye.